In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. This is quick and simple to do. To start, you need to click the plus button below. After that, you see the contents of your gallery. You need to select the video that you want to post and then click next. You can also edit the cover of your video that appears in people's IG feed. You can also write channel name and tag people in the video. After that, click share and then wait for the video to upload. So this is how you upload an IGTV video on Instagram 2023. Thank you and I hope that helps.